Let's talk about something you do every single night, but probably don't think much about. We're talking about sleep, and I'm going to show you why it is, without a doubt, the most important system update your brain will ever get.
So, has this ever happened to you? It's like 1 in the morning, you are surrounded by books, you've been cramming for hours for a huge test. You feel like you've got it all down, then you walk into the exam, you look at that first question, and nothing. Just a total blank. So frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you the problem wasn't that you didn't study hard enough? What if the problem was that you skipped the most important step? See, you downloaded all the information, but you never actually ran the installation program. You skipped the system update.
Okay, so to get what's really going on, we've got to look at the first big problem your brain runs into every single day. Just think of it like your phone's memory getting totally full.
I mean, every class you go to, every video you watch, every conversation you have, it's like you're downloading hundreds of new files, and they're all just sitting there on your brain's desktop in a temporary folder. They're not properly saved anywhere permanent. Not yet.
So how do we know for sure that sleep is the magic key to actually saving all those files? Well, scientists came up with this really clever experiment to figure it all out. Let's break it down.
It's actually a lot simpler than it sounds. First, they had people learn a list of completely random word pairs, stuff like cherry shoe or blanket car. Then they tested them right away to see what stuck. But here's the really important part. They split the group in two. One group got to go to sleep, and the other group had to stay awake all night. Then finally, everyone took the test again to see who forgot more stuff.
Now, I know this chart looks a little intense, but don't worry about it. This is literally the diagram the scientists used. All it's really showing is those two groups we talked about. One that learned something and then got to sleep, and another that learned something and then had to stay awake. The whole entire point was to isolate one thing. Does sleep make a difference?
All right, so let's pause for a second. What's your guess? Who do you think remembered more of those weird word pairs? The people who got a full night's sleep or the ones who pulled an all-nighter?
And the results were, well, crystal clear. The group that stayed awake, they forgot a ton of what they learned. You can see their memory just plummeted. But the group that slept, their memory was rock solid. They basically forgot nothing. It's like sleep put up this protective shield around their new memories. So this isn't just about feeling rested. Sleep is actively saving your data.
But how? How does the brain actually do this? Well, it's time for you to meet the microscopic heroes of this story. They're the special agents in charge of your memory-saving operation, the sleep spindles.
So what are sleep spindles? They are these incredible, super fast little bursts of brain activity that happen when you're in a deep sleep. The easiest way to think of them is like your brain's own personal save button. While you're sleeping, they're firing off, basically transferring all those temporary files from your brain's desktop into its long-term hard drive.
And here's where it gets really interesting for anyone who's a teenager. Research found that as you grow from a kid into a teen, your brain gets a serious hardware upgrade. You're literally getting better equipment to do this job.
Check out this brain scan. See those bright yellow spots? That's the upgrade. Those spots show that the teen brain has way more of what are called fast spindles, which are basically super-powered memory savers. So your brain is actually getting more powerful at saving memories during your teen years, if you let it.
Okay, so saving our files with sleep spindles, that's job number 1 of the nightly update. But it's actually a 3-part process. Your brain is a master multitasker. So what are the other 2 crucial jobs it's doing while you sleep?
So all day long, you're downloading these files, right? Well, just like a busy computer, all that activity creates a lot of junk, a lot of waste products. And if that junk builds up, it starts to slow everything down. So job number 2 for your nightly update is taking out the trash.
And then there's job number 3. As you learn all this new stuff, the connections in your brain get really loud and chaotic. It's like turning up the volume on thousands of radio stations at once. So sleep comes in and acts like a master engineer. It intelligently turns down the volume on all the background noise so that the important signals, the things you actually want to remember, can come through loud and clear.
So, you have this amazing 3-part overnight crew. You've got the sleep spindles who are like librarians, carefully filing away all your important new memories. You've got this cleaning system that power washes your brain. And you've got the network engineers who reset all the connections so you can start the next day fresh. It's an incredible process.
Which brings us right back to where we started. That all-nighter you pulled before that big test, what was actually happening inside your brain?
Well, you downloaded every single file, but you never hit save. On top of that, you let all that toxic gunk build up, and you left all your brain's connections turned up to full blast noise.
By skipping sleep, you didn't just fail to save your work, you skipped the deep clean and the system reset too. No wonder you couldn't think straight.
But the good news in all of this is that you are in control. You can make sure this amazing system update runs perfectly every single night. You can quite literally level up your sleep.
Now, this isn't medical advice, of course, but scientific research points to a few really simple habits that can help. Having a consistent sleep schedule helps train your brain on when it's time to start the update. Making your room super dark, cool, and quiet creates the perfect environment for the update to run without any interruptions. And yeah, putting screens away about an hour before bed really helps your brain get ready to launch the whole process.
So the biggest takeaway here is pretty simple. Your brain is ready and waiting to do all this incredible work for you every single night. So the next time you're getting ready for something big, just remember this. Don't just study hard, sleep smart. Your brain is ready to run this incredible update. The only question is, are you going to give it the chance? So tell me, what's one small thing you could try tonight to help your own system update run just a little bit better? Let us know down in the comments.